out the city of Cincinnati, Ohio. And unfortunately, there is a baseball game today, so everything is crowded and there's no parking spots. But we're gonna make the best of it anyways, because that's what we do.
Is there a waterfall, Mama?
And I am so happy that we decided to do this, because I was not expecting just how cool this would be.
Careful! There's a bunch of boats here. There's a playground here. No, that's wings.
It was a Sunday, and so we decided to take it a little bit chill, relax. We always do that on Sundays. The love of my life.
Oh, look.
Downtown Cincinnati's pretty beautiful. Got a nice river walk. It's hot, muggy, but beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For today, we went to downtown Cincinnati. It said online that it was pretty cool, and we were not disappointed. It was amazing. Downtown Cincinnati, Ohio is located on the Ohio River, and it was so beautiful. It was so picturesque, so serene, and our kids had so much fun. Or if you go a little farther downriver, then they've got these awesome playgrounds, like where the slides are built into the hills. Come on, go down, Evelyn. Whoa! Hi. There was a rock climbing wall on one of the playgrounds, and then this crazy jungle gym type thing. I will say though that it got very hot on the bars, because they're metal bars and wood. Like, our kids were burning their feet a little bit. There are all sorts of cute playgrounds and fountains and fun places for the kids too, huh? Yeah, it's awesome. Can you do it, buddy? You gonna go, Evelyn?
No, honey, my cake. It's because of my sandals. Mama, can I go downhill?
It's so easy.
Can I go downhill?
Yeah.
Mama.
If you can't do it, buddy, then just climb back down, okay? Oh, you made it all the way to the top. Good job. Look at me. You're doing good.
Come on, I can go help her. Yeah, this is just like you want. Oh, look at that.
Hi, Sienna. Oh,
Mama,
Come on, Michael. You're doing good.
you're almost there, sweetie. Evelyn, we heard you. Evelyn. You did it! Good job, sweetie.
Here, you can go on the ramp. Look at this.
It's okay. Careful.
Hold hands with the other one too. With both of them. Hold hands with the boy. There you go. Now you're holding hands. Okay, you hold their hands. Look, dude.
Can I help you pull it down?
There are a lot of flowers here. Those kind of seem to be a big deal. And so because of that, there are a lot of bees, but the flowers are beautiful. One of the other cool places that was along the river is they had this splash pad right by the sports arena there. And even though we didn't bring our swimsuits, we let our kids splash around and get soaking wet just because it was a fun community type of environment there.
And then he got hurt really bad.
Yeah. Okay, Grayson, Austin.
Very hard with my sandals.
It's hard with your sandals? Let's take them off then, I don't care.
Okay, I would take them off right here. So nobody would take them away.
Okay. Evelyn, just stick your nose and eat it. Evelyn, quit that. Yes.
Is that fun? And our kids had so much fun. So when you walk along there, they've got these swings, and our family had a blast sitting on the swings all together. Now, I will say there were some people smoking on the swings, and that made it a little hard to find a swing where they weren't smoking that our kids could get on and enjoy too. But how many places do you find a swing for the whole family? Grayson, get your hand out of your nose.
There's a unicorn boat! Mama, I want to go on the boat! Me too!
You guys are so good.
I want to go on the big boat! On the big boat!
Cincinnati. Just looking at boats. No?
Is there a fish in here?
No. I thought you were gonna roll down it. It's an interesting roll.
Don't go on your knees. You just roll.
Good job.
Woo!
So honestly, we just had such a blast exploring the city of Cincinnati and having a relaxing Sunday.
All right, now come take a picture over here with this guy. Look at me. Grayson, Evelyn, look at me. Grayson, look at me. Evelyn, look at me.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know the specifics about family travel information, make sure you check out our companion channel, Traventures. You can see that at the end of this video. There's a little circle link at the end. It's got a couple T's in it, light blue. Click on that and you can find out more about Cincinnati, Ohio. Peace.